Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to give your website a spooky Halloween style in just 3 minutes using the Depicter plugin. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Depicter plugin installed on your WordPress site. From the Depicter dashboard, head over to Templates, then open the Halloween category. Here, you'll see ready-made designs like hero sections, pop-ups, slide-ins, and notification bars, all specially crafted for Halloween. First, I'll import a notification bar. I won't change the design much, just update the discount from 50% to 30%. Then, in Options, under General, I'll set the placement to the top of the page, so later we have room for a slide-in at the bottom. I'll hit Publish, and since I want this bar always visible, I won't add any trigger. Back to the dashboard. Templates, Halloween Templates. Now I'll import a Halloween slide-in. I'll adjust the discount text and also change the background color so it matches our notification bar. When publishing, I'll go to Display Rules, Triggers, Enable Spent Time on Page, and set it to 6 seconds. That means the slide-in will appear after a visitor spends 6 seconds on the page. Now let's add a Halloween pop-up. I'll pick this fun one with the monster face opening its mouth. It looks super engaging. This pop-up has 2 steps. On the Form step, the Submit button is already set to go to the next step. On Step 2, there's a coupon code revealed. I'll update the coupon code to match my event and also change the monster's color to yellow so it fits better with my website design. For publishing, I'll go to Display Rules, Triggers, Enable Scroll Percentage, and set it to 60%, so the pop-up will appear once the user scrolls 60% down the page. And here's the result. Right on page load, the Halloween notification bar is there. After a few seconds, the slide-in appears. And when I scroll down 60%, the pop-up shows up with the coupon code after I enter my email.
Dark delight.
All leads are automatically saved inside the Depicter dashboard. And that's how you can spookify your website for Halloween in just 3 minutes.